How to fix coin market cap app not working on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, scroll down and click on reset. After click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, click on reset settings, enter your phone pin and click on continue. You will see your settings is reset. So it's just reset all settings. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. So you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search coin market app from here. You will see coin market app is here. Click on storage. If you want to fix this problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix coin market cap app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.